Good morning, students. Welcome in your social science e-learning class. Children, today we will read lesson 1 of history, that is periodization. What is periodization? It is the division of time to study the political, social and economic changes in history. Our country has witnessed so many changes from ancient times. This periodization has been divided into three broad groups: ancient period, medieval period, and modern period. British historians like James Mill had divided Indian history into three periods, that is, Hindu period, Muslim period, and British period. But this periodization had communal problems, so we again refer to ancient, medieval, and modern period. So let us first define medieval period. It is the period lying between the ancient and the modern period. It stretched from the 8th century AD to 18th century AD. The timeline shown depicts the medieval period. Further, medieval period is divided into two parts: the early medieval period and the late medieval period. The early medieval period stretched from the 8th century AD to the 13th century AD. This period witnessed the rule of the Palas, the Pratiharas, the Rashtrakutas, Cholas, and the early Rajputs. The late medieval period lasted from the 13th century AD to the 18th century AD. In this period, many foreign invaders invaded India, like the Turks, Afghans, and Mongols, who established the Delhi Sultanate and later the Mughal Empire. Further, our country has been referred to by different names in the past. Example, it was called Jambudvipa, the land of blackberry trees, as mentioned in Buddhist texts. Bharatvarsha, named after the Bharat tribe that existed in Rigvedic times. Aryavrat, the land of Aryans around the northern India. The rulers in the Sultanate and the Mughal period called it Hindustan. Minhaj Siraj, a chronicler who used the term Hindustan for India in 13th century. Also, Babur used this name to describe the Indian subcontinent. Later, the British used the term India, and now it is called the Republic of India, that is Bharat. Students, how do we come to know about such details of medieval period? It is possible because this period provides many literary and archaeological sources which give us a detailed description of the period, which we will read in our next video. In the end, we summarize: periodization is the division of history into ancient, medieval, and modern period. Medieval period covers from the 8th century AD to 18th century AD, having two divisions, that is, early medieval period and late medieval period. Different sources tell about this period, that is, literary and archaeological sources. We end here the first part. So students, read the text thoroughly and do the bookwork in your books. Bye bye.